How to use Canva to make money online. My today tip is to create online CVs, templates or resume templates. Obviously people need this, yeah, whoever is looking for a job, he needs a CV or resume to present his skills and work and education history. There's some in Canva, but still, the market is not that saturated, so you can create your own versions of CVs. Maybe you can focus on certain niche, yeah, create CVs for artists and get creative, or create CVs in certain style, certain colors. And again, the advantage is once you create a template, you can recycle the template and just change the colors or change the font or the size of elements and so on. So create the CV, allow people to have the link so they can adjust the CV. Of course, they need to adjust that, and sell it online on platforms such as Etsy. Yeah, do your research, have a look what people are selling, but this is something what people are looking for, and you can also include it in your portfolio or link it with some other online product. For example, it could be a bundle of CV and some presentation template and ebook template, let's say, or CV and business card, yeah, something like this. So that's a tip for today and for